This is Eric Mother with Mother.com, May 7th, 2019. This is where the markets are trading. Let's take a look at NSP, a stock that has had a fantastic couple of years. As we can see, a very successful move that went into a hyperbolic move over the last couple of years. Now the question is, what next? One of the things I can say here, if you take a look at the 2-year weekly, we can see as of right now, there's a little bit of a red flag in the sense that we had a breakout attempt on the weekly that failed. And because of that failed weekly breakout, there is now the concern that the next meaningful direction might be lower because of this failed breakout. Failed breakouts are notorious for taking instruments lower. Go back to that long-term all data monthly chart and we can see that there is a closing high here from 2018, and that is at 119.11, and we can see that traders can use this as a level to watch, because if the monthly chart goes on to fail and move below this price, that becomes confirmation that it is now locked and that the next meaningful direction is lower. In other words, a failed breakout would be bearish, and bulls would like to see the stock hold above 119.19, because that would be a reason to suspect that it is just forming another base before moving higher. So bulls want to see the breakout hold on the monthly, while bears would want this to turn into a frown with a failed monthly breakout. The price to watch is 119.11. Now also we can take a look and see, based on the RSI, if we take a look at the parabolic move here, I'm going to come here and I'm going to draw a line here. Hope I can do this on this chart. So let me try again. Alright, we're going to draw a parabola. Alright, let me mess with it a little bit here. It's a trend line, like that. So we can see that if this also breaks, that would be a net bearish development. In other words, if the RSI also goes on to drop below 69.1, that would be another red flag. So net, if this stock is to do well, it needs to hold above the breakout levels on its monthly 119.11 and needs to stay above RSI 69.1. This is Eric Mother with Mother.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. E-C-S. Yes.